I don't know. Coming from you from Utah here, weird things happen. It's snowing. Mud. It's literally snowing mud. It's crazy. I don't know what kind of weather phenomena causes that, but anyway, kind of crazy. This is the strangest snowstorm ever. It's like snowing like mud. It's weird. It's
Yeah,
like
look at the ground.
it's like all caked everywhere. That's not from salt from the road. That's from the actual snowing. It's snowing mud. It's like all over the ground and everything. It's weird. Huh. You gotta wipe off your windows just so you can
just
see.
so you can see out the door.
What the heck? Crazy. That is literally mud that came from the sky. That is weird.